our gathering knot, which you'll make 2 of in this plant hanger. You can use it to gather any number of strings. First, you take an extra piece of string and fold it about 1/4 of the way to create this shape. You want the loop to face downward, and then while holding all the strings you'd like to gather, start wrapping the long part of the string around everything. Wrap as many times as you can or would like to, but make sure you leave space at the bottom so your loop sticks out. Then you're going to take the end of the string that you were wrapping and pull it through the loop. While tightly holding the string you pulled through, grab the top string and pull. You'll know that it works if you see the loop start to shrink. Now that we're done with the tutorials, it's time to start.